Hello, this is Mike from Easy Arms Keeper. Today we will be going over how to do acquisitions and dispositions using Easy Arms Keeper, so let's dive in. Before we go any further, we need to discuss what an acquisition and disposition is. An acquisition is where a firearm or other serialized item such as a silencer is added to the inventory. A disposition is where something is removed either via transfer or via sales. The first part we are going to attack is how to make an acquisition. First, we click on Acquisition, then New Acquisition. In the Firearms box, enter the firearms information, such as model, manufacturer, type, caliber, and serial number. Next, in the Acquisition box, enter whatever notes may be applicable and enter where the firearm is coming from. If one clicks here and begins to type where it is coming from, and it does not auto-populate, one knows that the contact has not been added already. In this case, we are going to add a new FFL contact. Click the extension button and choose New FFL Contact. Instead of entering the contact's name and information, all you have to do is enter their FFL number as shown. This will auto-populate the necessary up-to-date information, including the expiration date of their license, address, and all other relevant information. Click Save. Yes, you would like to save the contact, and no, in this case, we are not adding another contact. Next, we are going to go over dispositions. Click the Dispositions tab, then New Disposition. At this point, we can either enter the serial number of the firearm, or we can hit the Advanced Find, which we are going to do here. From this window, we are presented with the Advanced Find options. One can search via serial number, model, manufacturer, type, caliber, or even when the firearm was received or whom it was received from. In this case, we are going to take a look at all of our Glock 19s. We will select the one that we are searching for, highlight it, and click OK. The new disposition window contains three major blocks. The first block is the firearm block, which shows all of the relevant information about that firearm or device. The second block is the acquisition block, which contains all of the relevant information about where the firearm came from. The third and final block is the disposition block. Here we are going to add a new non-FFL contact. Click on the expansion button, then click New Non-FFL Contact. Enter the customer's information, click Save. Yes, we would like to save, and no, we would not like to add another contact at this time. To enter the eForms background check in 4473, if configured, click Save. Background checks 4473, state compliance, and 3310.4's multiple handgun sales are covered in another video. The next major topic we are going to cover is how to utilize Easy Arms Keeper's SKU or UPC system for the acquisition of firearms or other serialized devices. This feature is particularly helpful for manufacturers as well as retail locations where the same kind of firearm or device is going to be coming in and going out on a regular basis, and you want to reduce the potential for human data entry error. To enable the use of this time-saving system, first enable the SKU or UPC systems. Click on File, Options, General, Show UPC. Always make sure that the auto-populate firearm info based on UPC is checked. Next, go to the UPCs tab. Click Here to add a new row. Enter the information needed such as the UPC code, manufacturer, model, type, and caliber. Make sure to click in the white area below to commit those changes. Now click OK. Now when we go to Acquisitions, New Acquisitions, we have a new UPC field. Scan the UPC and it will automatically enter the rest of the information other than the serial number. Enter the serial number, whom it is coming from, and the acquisition is complete. Up next, we will go over how to do transactions with more than one item. First up is acquisitions. Important note, this is only for bringing in items with all the same information, differing only by serial numbers. This is not for bringing in multiple types, calibers, models, and etc. To accomplish that, you would need to use the import feature covered in a different video. Click on the Acquisitions tab, then New Acquisitions. We will scan in the UPC to bring up all the information, and next, instead of entering the serial number, click on the expand button. We will have two options when it comes to adding multiple serial numbers. The first is sequential. Enter the prefix, such as pistol lower, choose the number of digits, the starting number, and then the ending number, or click next to iterate through. Add the suffix as needed, as demonstrated. Then click OK. The other option is the non-sequential serial number. Simply enter the serial numbers you wish to add. Did you accidentally add too many? Highlight the one you wish to remove and click the back button as demonstrated. Then click OK. For dispositions, go to the Disposition tab, click New Disposition. Click the Expand button to select multiple dispositions. Enter the serial numbers you wish to add to this disposition, be it sequential or non-sequential, and click OK. Highlight all the items you wish to be part of this disposition and click OK. Notice the window for multiple dispositions does not have the firearm or acquisition blocks that the normal new disposition window has. Click Save and continue as needed. The final part for this video covers searching acquisitions, dispositions, and contacts. Click the Acquisition tab, then find Acquisitions. From here, you can do your normal serial number search or advanced find. Important note, this only shows the acquisitions for items that are currently in inventory, not items that have already been dispositioned out or firearms that are a part of another E4473 that has not completed the transfer. In this case, we will choose the advanced find and select 1022. Click Find, select the serial number in question and click OK. This will then display the most recent acquisition of this firearm. For dispositions, click Dispositions, Find Disposition. Enter the serial number, click Find, highlight, and click OK. It will show you the most recent disposition for that firearm. With contacts, it is the exact same thing. Click the Contacts tab, then click Find Contacts. From there, you can search by name or advanced search, or you can click Find to show you all of the contacts currently entered into your system as shown. To search for a name, search the name, click Find, highlight, and click OK. This will bring up the contact's information. This has been Mike with Easy Arms Keeper, and you have an easy day.